When you dive deep into the core of human evolutionary psychology like I do, you start to uncover some very uncomfortable truths that are hard to ignore. At the most fundamental level, female love is utilitarian, rooted in the cold hard truth about survival. When you strip human relationships down to their biological essence, women prioritize their own well-being and that of their children, often above the man, unless he remains a crucial factor for their survival. Now, this isn't a very comfortable thought, but it's a reality that's grounded in our evolutionary past. There's a reason why men have been labeled the disposable sex. Throughout history, in the brutal calculus of survival and warfare, men were the expendable frontliners. If the fighting age men of a tribe were lost in battle, the surviving women and children's best chance at survival was to integrate with the victors, even marrying the men who defeated their own. This stark reality underpins a ruthless realism where behaviors driven by survival needs take precedence over everything else.